Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to prove that root 2 is an irrational number. This is a very important question for the exams, so listen carefully. Question is, prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Solution: let us we assume that root 2 is a rational number. Already you know that rational number means the number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. Therefore, root 2 is in the form of p by q, and here we know that p and q are any integers and here one of the condition is p and q are co-prime numbers. So students, what is the meaning of co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers means the numbers have no common factor other than 1. Now I will remove here square root by applying the square on both sides. So you write the step here, apply square on both sides, So now we have to apply the square on the both sides. So it means square root of 2 whole square then equals p by q whole square. See students, here we know already root 2. Exponent form of a root 2 is how to write 2 to the power 1 by 2. Here they given square root of 2 whole to the power 2. It means 2 raised to 1 by 2 whole to the power 2. It means you know the formula a to the power m whole to the power n. It means a to the power m into n. Similarly, 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 2 means it is 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2. Then 2 get cancelled, you get only 2. So you write here only 2 and this square and the square root will get cancelled. 2 equals p square by q square. Here you know that here 2, when you arrange this, rearranging the terms, will get 2q square equals p square. This is your equation number 1. And from this equation number 1, we concluded that p square is divisible by 2. So p is also divisible by 2. This is our theorem statement. Therefore, here p square is divisible by 2, so p is also divisible by 2. Let us assume p equals some value, it means 2k. Here they given root 2 is a irrational, therefore I took a p equals 2k. Now substitute here p equals 2k in equation 1. Therefore, when you substituting p equals 2k in the equation number 1, will get 2q square equals 2k whole to the power 2. Then you know already it is this square is applied to these both numbers. Therefore, 2q square equals 4k square. Okay, here we know a to the a into b whole to the power m, it means a to the power m into b to the power m. Therefore, it is 2k to the power 2, it means 2 to the power 2 into k to the power 2. It means 2 to the power 2 means we are multiplying 2 is 2 times, it means 2 to the 4 and k square. Now here LHS is also 2 and 4 here. Therefore, 2 divides 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then q square is equal to 2k square. This is your equation number 2. From the equation number 2, we know that from this equation number 2, here q square is divisible by 2. So q is also divisible by what? 2. This is also our theorem statement. When q square is divisible by 2, then q is also divisible by 2. This means p and q have common factor 2. But we assumed p and q are co-primes. This is This is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. So our assumption is wrong. Hence, therefore, root 2 is a irrational number. Irrational number. So dear students, once again I will explain it. Listen carefully. Our question is prove that root 2 is a irrational number. First step is let us assume root 2 is a rational number. Rational number means the numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q. Therefore, root 2 we wrote in the form of p by q. It means root 2 equals p by q, where p and q are any integers and p and q are the co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers means the numbers have no common factor other than 1. Now next step is apply the square on both sides. This is very important. Then when you are applying the square on both sides, here square root whole to the power 2, this is equal to p by q whole to the power 2. Next, then remove here square root and 2, cancel it, will get 2, and here p square divided by q square. This is already, it is in the form of a by b whole to the power m. It means a to the power m and b to the power m. Therefore, p to the power 2 and q to the power 2. Now just do the cross multiplication. We will get 2q square is equal to p square. This means p square is divisible by 2. So p is also divisible by 2. This is our theorem number 1. Let p is equal to 2k. Now this value you have to substitute in the equation number 1. What is our equation number 1? 2q square is equal to p square. Then substitute the p value in the equation number 1. Will get 2q square is equal to 2k square. Here ab to the power m, it means a to the power m into b to the power m. Similarly, here 2k whole to the power 2 means here 2 to the power 2, it means 4k to the power 2 means k square. Now here 2 and 4 divided, 2 ones are 2 twos are. You will get q square is equal to 2k square. This is your equation number 2. From the equation number 2, we got q square is divisible by 2. So q is also divisible by 2. When these two numbers p and q are divisible by 2, meaning what? P and q have a common factor 2. But we assumed p and q are the co-primes. This is a contradiction. So our assumption is wrong. Root 2 is a irrational number. This is very important question. So students, understand the steps and practice well. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain, prove that 3 root 2 is irrational. Prove that 3 root 2 is irrational. First, let us assume to the contrary that 3 root 2 is rational number. It means rational number means the numbers we can express in the form of 3 by q. Therefore 3 root 2 can be written in the form of a by b. We know where a and b are integers and a and b are co-primes. Just rearrange the terms. Then here root 2 only you can take, and this 3 shift to the right side, then a divided by 3b. So here a divided by 3b, it is a rational number. And we already know that root 2 is a irrational number. This contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. So our assumption is incorrect or is not correct, hence 3 root 2 is a irrational number. So similarly, one more problem they given here. Prove that 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Here also same steps we can follow. First step is, let us assume the contrary, that 5 minus root 3 is rational. Then there exists co-prime positive integers a and b such that 5 minus root 3 equals a by b. Just rearrange the terms. 5, this a by b shift to the LHS side, then 5 minus a by b equals root 3. Then take your LCM and simplify it, will get your 5b minus a divided by b equals root 3. And